Hello guys, today I draw a popsicle very easily. Let's go start
Draw
the video.
upside down U letter. Then connect the line and draw a small and tallest U shape. Then part 3, one part, two part, three part. Then draw curved line and big letter U. Now draw popsicles eye, big circle towards same. A small circle. Under one a small circle, under one a small circle. Fill up the color. Now draw its happy face. Draw letter U shape and draw its tongue. Our drawing is complete. Now I color it. First I draw the color its cheek. Draw right on same. Now draw red color. Now draw yellow color. Border color will be very shapely and carefully. At first, now draw another circle. Draw border line. It's very carefully. Draw border line very carefully. Guys, now it's running. Move on, same process.
Dear guys, if you love this popsicle, give me a likes. You can also comment this video. If you write your name on the comment box, I will draw a picture with your name first letter. You can also send me super chat, super thanks. Guys, please share this video. Thanks for watching this video. Dear guys, now I am using red color. Same process I will do borderline very safely and carefully.